Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is we are going to be discussing the Kobe 4 PROTO. Yes, I finally said it correctly. Y'all can applaud me down below. Just kidding. But what we got going on is the gift of Mambas right here. As you guys can see, a beautiful sneaker, and I'm going to show y'all some of the details about this shoe, what we got going on. And yeah, it's a really nice pair in hand. That's all I'm going to say. If you haven't grabbed your pair already, like if you're a collector, right, and you maybe don't want to go pay the resale prices, it's only going to get more expensive from here. That's what I'm going to say, just to really start it off. But let's get into it, kind of, just dive into this video a bit. So if y'all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Just trying to 200 likes on this video. That would mean a lot. And also don't forget to hit me up on my Instagram down below if y'all need any kicks. Just let me know if you're looking for these, recent Powerpuff SBs, NESB. Just let me know, and I'll be sure to try and help you find that. If I haven't gotten back to your DM before, don't forget, just shoot me another message, and usually I'm able to get back to you then. I get a fair amount of DMs daily, so sometimes I will miss some, so just keeping that in mind. And don't forget, if y'all want to check us out down below in HYPELABS right now, not only will we be doing undermarket pairs of these, and y'all can see on the screen some of the recent ones we have done in the group. That's just available to members. You can check out everything else we offer down below. We're giving away a pair of Type Booth SBs down below in HYPELABS right now. So if you want to win this pair or win a pair for free, all you have to do is just join the waitlist, become a member, and you are eligible to win this right here. So don't forget, don't miss out on that. Just something we thought we would do for Christmas time for you guys. So you guys can enter and try and win that. So yeah, that's it. All I need to say. I hope to see y'all down below in HYPELABS, or you can hit me on my Instagram if you need anything. And let's get into diving in to discussing the Kobe 4 PROTO gift of Mamba. So first thing first, as you guys can see, y'all may notice the all black that we have throughout this sneaker. Very, very noticeable. You probably saw that was popping on the camera, and even right here. These are crazy in hand. That's what I'm gonna leave it at. So first thing, on the tongue tag, y'all can see we do have the Kobe logo right there on both of them. Nothing different right there. And then on the back by the heel, as you guys can see right here, it has 24. Let me show you all this so y'all can probably see the 24 right there on both of them. So, a little bit different. And yeah, actually kind of like how it's showing it on camera right there. It's kind of two different shades of black. You all can see we got a lighter black with the, or not suede, but the nubuck material right there on the heel. Also is the same material that we have kind of surrounding the swoosh in the center, which is going with that snakeskin design that follows around the toe box as well. I'm going to try and get this to focus so y'all can see this right here. But y'all can see the snakeskin design, which is on the swoosh as well. Hopefully y'all can see that right there. And then it's also going around that toe box right there. It kind of goes around the top a little bit right here, and then back around the side to the other swoosh or other side. And then also right up here by your ankle and the other toe box right there. And then also what we got going on, of course, a lot of people wanted to see this part, so let me show you all this, the signature, the gold signature, which is right there by the heel. Very, very well done. Nice little simple detail that Nike gave us, and overall this is a very nice shoe. It stands out. That's what I will leave it at. This shoe stands out. There is no doubt about it. It's also one of the recent Kobe's that I feel like is very, very wearable in terms of being an everyday sneaker. Like the reverse Grinches, sure, you could, rock those every day as a, pair of beaters. I feel like those are nice, but they're kind of more meant, for the court. And so are these. This is also a pair of hoop sneakers, but it also is one that seems like it would just be comfortable for everyday wear. Like this actually seems like it'd be a good one to just beat up, wear around. I actually have my size 9 on the way. Based off how good these look, I'm strongly considering keeping it just to wear around, maybe even hoop in occasionally, because again, they are meant for hooping. They're Kobe's, and it also just seems like a super comfortable pair of kicks. I want to show you all this. There is a lot of padding, as y'all may be able to see. It is a basketball sneaker, but there is a lot of support here around the ankle, right? A lot of support, and also seems like on the sole we got a decent amount of layering right there. Y'all can see it's pretty, thick sole, so actually seems like we got that going for us. And also the black and white, y'all can see, so it's kind of like all black around the sneaker, but on the inside, I'm just going to pull the laces out so y'all can see that we do have the white Kobe logo on the inside right there, and that is present on both the sneakers, not just on this one, that is on this one as well. So that little small detail. But overall, we also have the nubuck material, which is on the toe box. Hopefully y'all can see that right there. That is right on that, and it is not on right up here. It's kind of, this is a different material right here on the tongue tag, as you guys can see. It looks like it's the same, but it is a different material than what we have on the center of the sneaker and also on the toe box right there, which is again surrounded by that beautiful snakeskin design. That's probably my favorite portion of the sneaker, how that matches with the black colorway. Also wanted to show you all this right here. There we go, so y'all can see that. The sole on these, pretty simple. Actually a lot of tread, so it looks like, again, another one of these Kobes that'd be great for hooping in. I know Kobes are actually one of the best basketball sneakers. I've heard that from a lot of people. Kobe 6s, Kobe 4s, really, really good sneakers to actually hoop in. Just a lot of them are very, very pricey, but KDs are also really good to hoop in. I know the recent, it's like the NR, I think it was like the KD did like an NRG sneaker, I think, or that was like the name of them. I could be wrong, but apparently those are really good for hooping. It's like a KD 15 or something. I got to think about that, but I could be wrong. I know a lot of the OG, there's like OG KDs that are also amazing for hooping, but a lot of those, again, are pretty expensive right now at the moment. Back then they weren't, but now they are. It's kind of like, you know, how some of these shoes are right now. Again, what I was stressing with the, again, at the start of this video with the sneaker. These are only going to get more expensive. There was, I think, 50K pairs of these globally. If you go look at the MAMBA Cetas, Halos, those had around 80 to 100K globally. So there is much less of these. And this is a very, very wearable colorway. You cannot go wrong with all black. So me, I'm keeping this pair. If anybody is a size 7 and is interested, though, let me know. But not cheap. I'm not like, you know, I want to hold this pair. So to get it off my hands, you know, you're definitely going to have to pay a little bit higher. But I understand, you know, if anybody, you know, has a decent offer, feel free to hit me up. I have a 9 on the way as well. We'll try and get some bigger sizes. But again, just a little review I wanted to give y'all. And regular Kobe box, nothing crazy. Y'all can see, again, a size 7 right there. So boom, regular box, all that straight. I actually ordered this pair from GOAT a couple days ago just because I wanted to give y'all a good review. But I did not pay crazy for this. I paid actually $310. What about market is for a 7 right now? So that's another reason I want to hold them too, is because that's just where market is. There's no real point in me selling them right now, but also like my sister could rock these. I don't know. You know, it's a very wearable size. Like a 7 is a good size. It will age well. I know that for sure, because a girl could wear this, a guy could wear this, you know, middle schooler, whatever the case is. But overall, super excited to have this pair. Just want to show y'all this is the Gift of Mamba's Gift of Mamba Kobe's, the gold signature there, the all black design, the nubuck, which is right there on the toe box, also back by the heel right here, as y'all can see that. And then of course right there we do have the tongue tag, so hopefully y'all can see that design as well. And then the snake skin, which is on the swoosh, heel, and also going around that toe box right there, which is my favorite part. The snake skin is just, that's a really good part, makes the sneaker a lot better. I really like that they did that up with the black colorway as well. But that is the Gift of Mamba Kobe review. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this sneaker. Did you cop a pair? You skipping on these? Do you think it is a wearable everyday shoe? Or you disagree with my point there? Let me know what y'all thinking, because overall I'm a fan. I think Nike did an amazing job at these, and the fact that it's so limited is just like, that's kind of like stabbing some Kobe fans. I'm gonna be real. That's stabbing some Kobe fans in the back, you know, because a lot, you know, there's been some promises recently. I've seen that online circulating, saying, hey, you know, Kobe's are gonna have more stock. 27,000 pairs release day. So there's more than 27,000 Kobe fans in LA. What are y'all doing, Nike? But hey, you know, I'm cool with it. I mean, again, this is a limited pair. Actually, it's a really, really nice one, and I understand why it's hard to get. You see the shoe in hand, and you're like, oh, I understand. But that's all I need to say. If y'all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Let's try and hit 200 likes on this video, and let me know if y'all need anything. Again, I'll pop up my Instagrams. If y'all need anything, just give me a follow, shoot me a DM. If I haven't gotten back to you, just DM me again. I've been trying to get back to some of my older DMs recently, so just shoot me another message if I missed out on yours, and that is all I need to say. And if you're looking for any particular sneaker, just hit me up. I will try and find that for you, and let me know what you guys think about, again, the Gift of Mambas. And if you want to win a free pair of Type Boost, don't forget we're giving that away down below in HYPELABS, and you can see some of those recent undermarket sneakers on the screen. So if you like undermarket deals, you like flipping shoes, getting kicks for less, that is what we specialize in, is showing you how to do that. Source kicks for less, make more flips, and that's it. So I hope to see you on that wait list down below. You'll get entered in that giveaway also, and that's all I need to mention. So again, give me your thoughts on the Gift of Mambas, and that's it. So I'm Tristan. Thank you guys. Hopefully y'all did enjoy this video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one, which should be on Sunday. So I'll catch y'all then. I'm Tristan, and don't miss out. Peace.